Joke number 5. A young handsome lad was bragging about his new sports car before her girlfriend. She got so excited about the speed. "Hey, if I manage 200 miles per hour, will you get naked?" he asked. "Of course," said his thrilled, naughty girlfriend. Then, as he reached 200, she took off all her clothes. The young boy got distracted by her nudity, lost the control, and the car flipped over. The naked girl was thrown out with no harm, but the boy got stuck in the car. "Go and get help," he shouted. "No, I can't. I'm naked." "Take my shoe and cover yourself," he said. Covering her crotch with the shoe, the girl went down the road and saw a service station. Still keeping the shoe between her legs, she asked the service station manager, "Please help me. My boyfriend's stuck." The manager saw the shoe and shrugged. "Well, sorry, can't help. He's in too far."